Welcome back, All Things Outdoors Ohio. Today I'm out here getting the dogs out for their first off-season run of the year. It's been a little over a month, so they're definitely rusty. They put on a couple pounds. So today we're just gonna get out here for a couple hours and see if we can't run one or two. Baby rabbits are already up and moving, so we'll see what today goes. We're in one of my better spots, so hopefully I can just walk this road out and let the dogs go and let them stretch out a little bit, stretch the legs, enjoy themselves, and get out and run a couple rabbits. Stay tuned. There it goes. Well, for the first run of the off season, that was pretty dang good. You can't even tell they've been laid up for a little over a month. I mean, they were on that thing the whole time. I got some good video of that. As you seen, it ran right up my leg. So I could have shot it. And then old Stein girl, about to turn 11 months old, leading the pack. And she's confident now. You can tell she's building up her confidence. That's kind of why you got to keep going and keep getting them out there, especially them younger pups. She had a good year. So I hold her up and get her rusty. So that's why I'm glad I'm able to get her out. See the sun's starting to come out a little bit. But overall, for that first run of not running for a month and a half, they crushed it. So hopefully we can get another 1 or 2 up here and make it a pretty good video. Stay tuned. Just jump number 2. Slow down. Slow down. Well, there was the second of the day, and that was shortly after we just stopped running that first one. Lucy jumped that one, Natty jumped the first one. Another solid run. I could have shot it as well, as you've seen. Seen it twice, right, came right at me. Dogs did well on that one. They got out in that open field and they got a little quick, but they slowed down and picked up the track. They didn't range too far. So it's still a pretty good run. Like I said, I seen it twice, could have shot it. So ran 2, could have shot 2. Gonna see if we can't get one more up here before we get back to the truck because it's starting to rain. I don't know if you can tell that or not. But I don't want to be out here in the rain And the dogs have already had a pretty good day getting out for the first time in a while. So we'll see if we can't get one more up before we get back to the truck. Just finished explaining that second run. We literally walked 10 feet. I was standing right there. And Natty girl opened up. Rabbit just took off across the field. Probably gonna go hold up in one of these holes over here. Slow down, slow down. There you go. And there's a hole right there. That's my guess of getting right into that. Guess I was wrong. So that third one finally held up after like 45 minutes, almost an hour. As you seen, it was right there in front of me. Could have shot it several times, but that's gonna wrap up today. It's already getting later here. Dogs got 3 or 4 hours ran in here, so good day to get dogs out. I'll see you guys at the truck. That's gonna wrap up the first off-season run of the year. Really good day for the dogs not being out for a month, a little over a month actually. Ran 3, could have shot all 3. Dogs had 6 to 6.5 mile. Like I said, first off-season run, dogs were held up, and you couldn't even tell. I'm glad Stein isn't all rusted up. I'm glad Bud's still doing well. Natty and Lucy are still jumping the rabbits. Overall, really pleased with today. Glad I was able to get them out, and glad we had the runs that we did. And got some really good dog footage. Like I said, I seen every single rabbit. So, really, I got everything I wanted out of the day. I was aiming for 5 miles. I got 6.5 miles. So, really good first off-season run. I hope you guys enjoyed this. Let me know if you want to see more of it. I really like getting the dogs out, listening to them. I know I have a lot of viewers that just like watching the videos just for the dogs. So these kind of videos will be for you guys, and I hope you enjoy them. I like making them. I like taking the dogs out. It's part of the training. It's part of why they're so good during the rabbit season. So as always, I hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll catch you on the next one.